Hi! Welcome to Doc Martin's Quarantine video series. We noticed that chiropractic videos are quite popular in general. Some of my patients even share with me that they get a lot of relief from watching people get adjusted or cracked. Chiropractors around the world are primary portal of entry healthcare practitioners that specialize in natural, drugless, and non-surgical treatments for pain, but more importantly, to restore natural health and well-being. This video is meant to share with you some basic information on the benefits of chiropractic care and to demonstrate some techniques used in chiropractic for the adjustment of different body parts and to spread some relief by sharing some cracking sounds. Then we'll top off in the end by providing you some tips for finding the right chiropractor. Now, let's get cracking! Well, what does the adjustment or the cracking sound actually do? They published a study in the United States that surveyed 35,000 people on the benefits of chiropractic care. And they found out that about 60% of them visited their chiropractor for lower back pain, and an additional 30% visited them for neck pain. They represented about 64% of the US population. In multiple studies over decades, chiropractic has been found to be helpful for relieving lower back and neck pain. What was actually interesting about this study was not that they found relief from low back or neck pain, was that a majority of them reported additional benefits besides pain relief. 67% of them reported improved overall health. 67% of them said they felt better. 42% said they were sleeping better, reduced stress, coping better with their health. Some of them even stated that they felt better emotionally. So, chiropractic can help relieve pain, but can also affect other things, which can make you healthier and happier. We're going to start off the chiropractic adjustment demonstration by doing just a quick evaluation to make sure we're addressing the areas that need to be adjusted. Okay, El? Could you face on the other way, please? Okay, right. So, first I'm going to do a muscle test. If she pushes up against me, and I'm feeling areas of her spine that create changes. So right down here and right here is an area that I need to adjust. I'm just doing a quick screen. Push. All right, very good. Now, next is I'm just going to motion her spine. Move it left and right while I'm feeling areas that need adjustment. All right, very good. Could you please lay face down? All right, bend this please. Push against me. Right here, here. All right, very good. Okay, let's do this one first, Al. Could you take a deep breath in, exhale all the way out. Nice, very good. That was a really good adjustment. Bend this please. Push against me. Good. Inhale, exhale, relax your shoulders please. Nice, very good. Good. Now, come down slightly. Okay, I'm just going to lift this up, just like this. Take a deep breath in, exhale. Good. One more time, inhale, exhale, inhale. Very nice. Good. Bend this please. Push against me. Good. Okay. Can you lay on your side, please, facing me? Good. Feeling okay? There we go. All right. Now we're going to get your L5 right in this area. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Nice. Excellent. Okay. Good. Face up. Face up. Okay. Let me just check the strength of the muscles of your leg. Lift this up. Push up against me. Turn this in. Push up. Good. This one. Push up. Turn this out. Push up. Good. Now I'm just going to check your ankles. Push against me. Okay, we need to adjust that. Lift this up. Push up. Push up. Okay. So I'm just going to adjust this ankle, L, right here. Just relax this for me. Nice. Okay, now relax. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to check your neck. So L, we're going to adjust your first rib over here and this one. I noticed when I was feeling that was a little off. Okay. Just going to motion. Good. I'm just feeling the tension in the muscles. Just release this a little bit. Very nice. Good. Move it side to side. So right here, that's a little stuck. You feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah? And then right in this area. Okay, so we're going to do the first adjustment here. Just going to move your... Okay, just relax. Drop the right shoulder. Nice. Very good. You okay?
Yeah.
Right, that was a really deep adjustment. Okay? Now we need to get this. This is your C2, upper part of your neck. Good. Very good. Just relax this one. Nice. Excellent. Good. All right. In one of our videos, we talked about forward head posture and this rounding forward. So one of the adjustments we do is to help pull the shoulders back, just to open this up. This can help with a lot of shoulder pain and even neck tension. So we just rotate this here. Just relax this. Good. Drop this down. I stabilize the scapula and adjust the shoulder. Good. Okay, let's check the other side. Here, bend this please here. All the way up here. Just relax. Good. Relax. Stabilize the scalp. Nice. Very good. Okay, good. Now, let me check your wrists and your elbows. A lot of times when people do a lot of desk computer work, they can get like this carpal tunnel or just stop. No, so it helps to just loosen that up. Here is, yeah, not too bad, nothing there. Let's check here. Good. Lean back a little bit. Very good. Lean back. Good. All right. Very good. We hope that you enjoyed our chiropractic video number 2. Yeah?
Yeah.
Finally, here's some tips for finding the right chiropractor for you. Most importantly, only trust your spine with a PITAC registered chiropractor. PITAC is a government organization attached to the Department of Health that ensures proper levels of education and training are in place prior to registration. Stay away from a Japanese-based mall operation that claims to do chiropractic alignment. The level of education and training of those therapists are only 2 to 3 weeks of in-house training, unlike a chiropractic specialist who has 7 to 8 years of university-based formal education. Like anything in life, take the time to find the right chiropractor. Do they have a good reputation in the community? Are they professional? Were they recommended by trusted individuals, and do they have the respect of the healthcare community around them? Stay away from people who guarantee 100% cure rate. No one in all the fields of healthcare, not just chiropractic, can give you this. At most, they can say that in our experience, or the evidence suggests that this can be helpful for your particular conditions. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And remember, every day, in every way, you are getting better and better.